Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to schedule Instagram stories on Meta Business Suite. Now, this is quite important. You cannot directly schedule stories through the application. Unlike posts, you can do that for posts, but for stories, you'll have to use this application. Quickly download it, open it up, and log in with your Instagram account. Once that is done, this is how your homepage will look like. Now, to schedule a story, click on the story button. Select on the piece of content that you want to put up as your story, click on next and make sure you select the schedule for later option. Select the time, click on schedule again, and that is it. We have now successfully scheduled a story. If you want to check whether that's happening in the background, click on content, click on stories on the top here, click on scheduled. It will be by default set at active, so you can quickly click on scheduled and check whether this is happening. As you can see here, we have scheduled the story. Yes, that's pretty much it. One other thing is that you will have to have a professional account in order to use this feature. Otherwise, the Meta Business Suite will not work. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.